Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a digital ebook on Shopify. First, you will need to set up your Shopify store. Begin by creating an account and choosing a subscription plan that fits your needs. Next, customize your store's appearance to match your brand. Finally, install a digital download app from the Shopify App Store. This is crucial for delivering your ebook automatically after purchase. Now, let's create your digital ebook product. Upload your ebook file, such as a PDF, directly into the digital download app you installed. Then, create a new product listing in your Shopify store. Make sure to write a compelling description that highlights your ebook's value and include attractive cover images. Finally, set a competitive price for your digital product to attract buyers. With your product ready, it's time to configure delivery and payments. Ensure your digital download app is set to automatically deliver the ebook to customers right after they buy it. Integrate secure payment gateways, offering multiple options for your buyers. Crucially, perform a test purchase yourself to confirm everything works perfectly. This ensures customers receive their ebook download link without any delays. Finally, let's talk about marketing and launching your ebook. Promote your digital product widely across social media channels to generate interest. Build an email list and send out engaging campaigns to potential readers. You might also consider investing in targeted online advertisements to expand your reach significantly. Once launched, continuously monitor your sales data to understand what works best and optimize your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.